In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic and engaging audio waveform visual using Kapwing. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started with editing, these steps will help you add an interesting visual element to your audio. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to kapwing.com. Once you're there, look for the Create New button. This will be your starting point for creating any new project. Clicking this option sets the stage for you to upload the media that you want to work with. Next, you'll find an option to upload media. At this point, go ahead and select the video or audio file you'd like to enhance with a waveform. This could be anything from a podcast episode to a music track, whatever suits your project best. Uploading your media is straightforward, and once it's done, you'll see it appear in your workspace. Now, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. This is your gateway to various elements you can add to your project. Here, you will need to click on the Elements option. This is where you'll find a variety of visual assets to enhance your project. Go ahead and look for Audio Waveform. Clicking on this option will automatically add a waveform to your canvas. It's a visual representation of your audio that can add a layer of engagement for viewers, giving them a visual guide to the audio content. Once the waveform appears on the canvas, it's time to customize it to your liking. You can adjust the size, move it around, or change the style and color. This can all be done from the right panel. Take your time here to find a look that suits your particular project or aligns with your branding. Remember, you have complete creative freedom. The next crucial step is synchronizing the waveform with your audio track on the timeline. This step ensures that the visual representation aligns perfectly with what your audience is hearing, offering a seamless experience. You might need to play it back a few times and make minor adjustments for perfect synchronization. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, the final step is to export your project. Find the Export Project button, click on it, and follow the instructions provided. Exporting may take a few moments depending on the length and complexity of your file, but once it's complete, your new creation will be ready to share with the world. By following these steps, you've added a professional and engaging visual element to your audio file, enhancing its appeal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.